Welcome to online computer classes to all my dear students of class 8th. This is Mansi Mukherjee ma'am, your computer teacher. As you all know, the revision sessions are going on, so be attentive as your all previous doubt can be cleared through these sessions. And feel free to post your comments in the comment box and ask your comments in the online classes. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.
Let's start our revision 2 of chapter Introduction to MS Access. My dear students, please listen. This is more practical based. The chapter is more practical based. So I will be telling you how to work in Access. Better I say I will recapitulate to you how to work in Access. Fine. And those who are having systems at their home, they can open up their systems and follow these steps. Let's go to MS Access interface. This is how MS Access interface look like. You already know how to first go to all program, then Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Office Access. Fine. Then you will get this interface. Now click on blank database, then click on create. Which view you have entered in the database now? Look here it is displayed. This is what navigation pane, right? This is what navigation button, right? And this is what status bar when numlock is written. This is title bar and this is whole ribbon. This whole is ribbon. Fine. Let's create database in a design view, in a data sheet view. After that I will tell you design view. This is ID. Double click on this. This is EMP name. Press enter. This is write contact number. Clear? Press enter. Write date of joining. Fine. One thing you can do. Clear? Now select this. Go to data sheet view. Here we will select the data type. Right? For ID, data type is auto number and it's unique. Unique means primary key. EMP name, data type is text. For contact, data type is text. So for contact, do we select data type text, or I think we should select data type number, right? And date of joining, what is the most appropriate data type we should select? We should select date and time. Fine. In this, what is the primary key? The field which is having the unique value. Which field is having unique value? ID, right? So it is the primary key. Now let's enter employment name. Shivani. Next, since we have selected auto number now, that's why. Next we enter contact number, but if you enter the name or alphabet, it will show the error like this. See, this it will show because we have defined the field as a number, so it will not accept any kind of alphabet or any other data type other than number. Am I clear? Enter new value. We have to enter the new value. Fine. Next, date of joining 12/9/2009. Clear? Next, Ravi, contact number and date of joining Fine. This way we will enter the data. Am I clear? So now we will go to design view. We will see how to enter data in design view. From the view option, change the setting from data sheet view to design view. Table name, okay, table name 1. Here already some of the fields are there. ID, auto number, employment and contact number, date of joining, or we can write here email also. Suppose I am adding email addresses. And which data type we will select for email? Hyperlink or attachment. Hyperlink. Let's select hyperlink for emails entering. Right? Now primary key I have selected ID, or you can make this as a primary key. That's up to you. Double click on this. Yes. So one new field is also added. This is what data sheet view. I have told you several times in design view you cannot enter the data. The only view where we can enter the data is data sheet view. So here we write the email address. Fine. See here, it's already, you can click on the link and you can add on to the go to email addresses. Here ravi@gmail.com. Now some terms I'll explain, or should I enter some more field? Suppose I enter more data, say Manas, contact number, date of joining, @gmail.com. In that only we are adding one more 4 contact I am adding. See here we have entered and we have created a table. This is what table 1, right? This is the name of the table. And now what's the record? These are what records we have entered in the table. This is what this selected, this one field, second field, third field. This is what field. Whatever we have entered in this, that is data item. And primary key, what is primary key? Primary key is that field which is having unique value. This is here, ID number is the primary key. Fine. And all other fields are composite key. It is very important, primary key and composite key. Primary key, any field which is having unique value is primary key. There will be no repetitions, and others are composite key. I hope the things are quite clear. If there is any query, please let me know through comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.